welcome to HORIBA Medical Techno Tips. Come with me! So today I'm going to explain how the Yumizen H500 and H550 work with only 3 reagents. So, based on enhanced methodology for cell separation counting, the Yumizen range run hematology samples with only 2 reagents for analysis and 1 for daily maintenance. 3 reagents are automatically managed with safe workflow and traceability. The Yumizen H500 and H550 are capable of delivering 27 hematology parameters, including a 6 differential white blood cell count and triggering infectious screening flags of malaria and dengue. It provides huge advantages for customers. First, lower stock levels and easier stock management, lower reagent consumption, and thus a cost-effective test offer. While many competitors falsely claim a low number of reagents used, the Yumizen H500 and H550 do actually belong to the very few hematology analyzers capable of using the lowest number of reagents and hence provide an affordable price per test for low diff customers. That's all, folks. See you soon for another HORIBA Medical Techno Tip.